Hello, and welcome to my presentation on the sensitivity analysis and capital budgeting. We'll begin with an introduction to sensitivity analysis, which evaluates how changes in key variables impact project outcomes. This is crucial for understanding risk and making informed capital budgeting decisions, as it helps identify critical variables influencing project profitability. So the first step in conducting sensitivity analysis is to identify key variables significantly impacting the project, like sales volume, costs, and interest rates. Understanding the business environment is also essential to gauge potential changes in market conditions and regulatory landscapes. Additionally, we should assess managerial flexibility, which helps determine how well management can adapt strategies to changes in these variables. Next, we want to establish a base case scenario using initial assumptions and projections. So we change one variable at a time while keeping the others constant and see its effect on the project's outcomes. Then we record the results for each change and compare the scenarios to understand the sensitivity of the project to each variable. Reliable data sources are crucial for accurate sensitivity analysis. So we use historical records, market reports, and expert forecasts to set realistic assumptions. We've got to ensure that the data is accurate and up to date to make the analysis meaningful and applicable to real-world scenarios. Some of the common tools for sensitivity analysis include spreadsheet software like Excel. This offers data tables and what-if analysis features. Financial modeling software can also facilitate more complex analysis. Additionally, scenario analysis can be used to explore different sets of assumptions simultaneously, providing a comprehensive view of potential outcomes. Identifying potential risk factors like market volatility, cost overruns, and regulatory changes is essential. So sensitivity analysis will help us to quantify how these changes and risk factors impact product cash flows and profitability. So we adjust the discount rates to reflect the level of risk associated with the project and ensure a more accurate net present value. So let's look at a case study involving Project X. In this study, we analyzed variables like sales volume and production costs. Our findings indicated that sales volume had the most significant impact on project outcomes, while cost fluctuations were more manageable. So this insight helped in making more informed decisions about the project's feasibility and risk management strategies. So interpreting sensitivity analysis results involves analyzing sensitivity graphs, which visually represent the impact of changing variables. Identifying critical variables that have the most significant impact on project outcomes, and use these insights to make informed decisions. So this approach ensures that management focuses on the most influential factors in project planning, so we make the best informed decisions. Adhering to best practices like regularly updating assumptions involving cross-functional teams and using robust financial models enhances the effectiveness of the sensitivity analysis. However, it's important to recognize limitations, including reliance on assumptions and potential oversimplification of complex scenarios. Combining sensitivity analysis with other tools like scenario analysis and Monte Carlo simulation can provide a more comprehensive risk assessment. So in conclusion, the sensitivity analysis is a vital tool in capital budgeting as it aids in understanding risk and making informed decisions. We've covered its importance, qualitative and quantitative steps, tools, best practices, and limitations. Thank you for listening.